Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma haringkat ki dekhot ke kenhun menteri ki bakuntup ya ka menteri ketenat ke koi ke khia ke kong amperin lingdo menteri PHE Umarkius and Marak nalor ki hek sorkar na ki tenat sorkar per haka khatwei terek ke lalingkot kila penlong ke jingya ilenti ke ba arpo kilometer da ka bas ban let jingo ya ke jingking living route ha ka shnong se chela Bolaganj East Khasi Hills. Kane ke jing let jengok ke long ruk shibenta jong ke cabinet retreat ba arsngi ke badang ya syakmat hapo soora. Kane ke cabinet retreat ke badai ke sien ke beningkong ka bu ruk ya ke jing tumulpa halor ke jing kentiu ya ke roy ke par jong ke jela kat hadu usnam hajar lai puar. Kata ha ke ba ke Meghalaya kan kenjo syaka hendripo snam jong ke jing yo jela bapura. Ka jing let trek syaka shnong si ka long ban sakhi ya ke jingking umkar living route baratip kum ke jingking jeri bat ban ya kendu ya uba haliwar ubadai rangba ubala sedang halor ke jingthan ya ki tenrai thiet ding ki baim ban penlong ya kene ke jingking Chief Minister habakran hakedi ke jing le jingo ula penbena ya ke jing angnut jong ke sorkar ban penek pensa ya ke riti dustur ki balarim bat ban kentiu ya ki jingte bat jingshna jong ki trai muluk Habakran syakinong shnong bat kinong yalam ki bapuntre ki project Chief Minister ula penpau ya ke jingkong san jong ka jingking living route ka balong ka benta ka bakong san jong ka kolshor jong ka than mentala pala laispa snem. Kani ka jingking ka bakerpang ka balashna naduk ki department jong ka shnong kadang ya ilong kadak jong ka jingte ka bane bat ka jingroy ka bane ka bala penlong da kinong shnong. Ka jing start jong ki department jongi kala lam sya ka jing penlong ya kani ka jingking ka ba itnat bat ka batrekam ong konran da ka ba banram kalong ka ba pelakum no ka imlang salang kala ya telilang ban penek pensa ya kani ka riti dustur ka ban penti kenai ki pateng ki badang lung bakin nang beteng syakmat ya kani ka kam Uno yalam shnong ubadairu ubriu ubadon ka benta ka bakrau halendet jong kani ka jingking jeri ha sejli uba haliwar ula sedang bantanya kene ke jingking jeri nadu ba udang kena samla bat ula syakri ya kene ke shnong kum urang ba shnong mentala jan sapos nam kenti na kaliang kitrai shnong kila pentip ba kidon hadu kum ba shipo hajar ngut kinong wan syangkai ki bajuan man la usnam banwan jingo ya kene ke jingking jeri ha kene ke jingle jingo ya kene ke shnong si na kaliang Chief Minister ula penbenaru ya ki project kampun roy betmai ban penjana ya ki lat penyai ha kathan kuntup ka jingshna ya ki surok betmai bar ka jing kentiu kerdan ya ki jing school ula kren ru syapang ka jing la ban kentiu ya ka kam jingo kai perthei ha kene kathan.
We are here as part of our cabinet retreat in Sage Village, and we have come to see this beautiful living route bridge which has been constructed by the headman out here since he was 10 years old, and it has taken more than 40 years for this to take shape of what we are seeing right now. 50 years plus it has taken, and the work is still going on. And I think if you can see on top, the second phase or the second level of a natural skywalk, I should say, is also being constructed. And this is really a testament of the knowledge that has been passed on from generations and the tradition that has been followed, and this reflective of the belief of the people to sustain and maintain our environment. And this is, I think, one of the best examples of bringing in tradition, sustainability, art and technology all together. As mentioned, that this is not constructing a bridge, but this is actually weaving a bridge. And it's amazing to see that there are bridges like these which are 300 years old. And it is a great experience for all of us as cabinet ministers and officials to be here today. And I really would like to thank the village headmen and all the villagers out here for having organized this wonderful program for us. And we are also happy to announce that we will be providing sufficient infrastructure in terms of road connectivity and tourism development, so that we are able to promote this culture and this entire place in a way that the tourists from all over the country and the world can experience the true values and nature and this experience of this village as well as of Meghalaya state. So once again, I thank all of you for organizing this wonderful program. So for Living Root Bridge, it's already going on. I think, I don't know if you're aware of this or not, but there's already proper research and, proper mapping has been done, and the entire thing is being studied. But apart from this aspect also, other things also will be looked into. Yes, it is absolutely, we're still attempting it, but as you are aware that from the country, there's only one proposal that is accepted or is sent every year. So doesn't happen for 5-6 locations. So only one location for the entire country. So therefore, it's very competitive. But we have written to the Honorable Prime Minister. We've written to the Art and Culture Minister and the concerned departments to ensure that we push the Living Root Bridge as a UNESCO heritage site. So the efforts are on, but really it's not something that is completely in our hands. But we are really hopeful that this will come through, and if it does, it will be a great thing for all of us. As far as I know, I'm not very sure, but as far as my knowledge goes, I don't think there's any other competitor as such, or any kind of place where this kind of a Living Root Bridge exists. So I think, yes, this is very unique to this region and to our state.
So I was telling him to have it documented.
Yeah.
When is the right time to twirl or
we have started this
documentation.
Last time we had done this video. Yeah, it is done. It's already, but this specific location has not been. But in general, the whole process of Living Root Bridge, how it's done, all that has been documented. It's already done, and that's why we had to send it to the UNESCO, World Heritage Site. The application or whatever you call it, that requires us to do all of that.
Very good.